Hey guys, if you are watching this, that means you are watching the testimonial to Jonathan Montoya's course.
Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marcin Teodoro, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Jonathan Montoya and the whole team behind the Freedom Breakthrough affiliate program.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm impressed.
This course is awesome.
I can tell you that this is the exact blueprint that you need to follow.
This program, regardless of your level, is going to be a great asset for you to do.
It's really exceeded all my expectations. I've looked around at a lot of other programs in the past.
It all started from that one presentation I watched last year and finally learned how to do affiliate marketing correctly through his Freedom Breakthrough program.
Now his training is without a shadow of a doubt the secret sauce that I was missing.
This has given me the one and only thing that I've needed to get my affiliate marketing off the ground.
It really covers everything an affiliate marketer needs to know.
Covering all the aspects of affiliate marketing.
As a newbie, you'll get heaps of value out of it.
He starts out by helping you to pick out the right niche so that you can make money.
Various traffic sources and everything like that.
There's so much content and there's so much material inside of this program.
And there's training on blogging, SEO, Facebook marketing.
And then he also implemented his affiliate stacking ecosystem.
Then you go on to create your website, create the landing pages so you can capture emails, create affiliate funnels, send email marketing campaigns so that you follow up with people in an automated fashion.
It's got everything from A to Z.
Basically, everything you can think of in order to make money online.
Click by click, over the shoulder.
The foundations of affiliate marketing, how to create a funnel, why it is so important, what is the funnel that you need.
This course not only gives you the steps to take, but it also gives you the theory and the strategy behind those steps.
And then he teaches you how to start using free traffic such as Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, so that you can deliver traffic to your website so that you can generate leads, generate sales on the back end.
So it's actually real genius how Jonathan has made this work for him so beautifully.
The value and the knowledge you'll gain from this course is simply amazing.
So if you're looking for that platform that has everything you need.
So if you guys are new and you're looking for a course to get started the right way.
If you're looking to finally get your affiliate marketing business going.
If you're ready to quit your 9-to-5, if you're ready to fire your boss.
This is an amazing program for you.
You really owe it to yourself to get this course.
You're going to see that it could be one of the best decisions in your life.
Sam and I 100% tell you from our hearts that this course is going to help you get to your next level.
Obviously recommend this program.
I highly recommend.
Strongly recommend it to you.
I strongly recommend having a look at this program.
So I highly recommend it for anybody who's serious about building their own business.
So I'm really thankful for his course. I really think you guys should hop on it. It's really worth the price and you guys will definitely learn a lot.
Thank you so much, guys. It's honestly really amazing, high quality content.
I just want to say thank you to Jonathan for creating the Freedom Breakthrough program.
I thank you so much for what you have created.
Thank you so much for including me in this incredible program.
So thanks, Jonathan. I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of this training.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you, Jonathan and Freedom Breakthrough. You have completely changed my life.